Hi everybody, I'm going to just move some stuff out of the way here, and why don't we do a tassel for the Gothic Christmas journal that I had just showed. Let me see, I got the charm here, the ring and the jump ring. Let's put these like that. This is a card I got from work. Isn't it pretty? I already took the back off of it. I'm going to reuse that next year or do something with it. All right. So I already had this ribbon for another journal, and it never made it into the tassel. Why? I don't know. I don't know what happened there. See, we got 3 of those, and I thought that this would be pretty to tie this one in too. So let's cut this. I'm going to do 3 strands of each. Good, that just made it. I didn't think it would. I'm going to get some green. Where's the end piece? What happened to it? Isn't that weird? Where did it go? Since when does ribbon stay flat like that once it's already opened and stuff? That is weird. Oh my god. Oh, I found it. That was weird. Okay. Like, what's going on there? And of course, to goth it up, I am going to use... Oh, I was going to use that ribbon too, but I don't think I will. I'm going to use this that we got from Beebeecraft. So let's cut some of that. And you know what I'm going to have to do? When I cut it, I'm going to have to use my lighter just to burn the edges so it doesn't unravel. Because you know, this type of any type of material like that unravels, unfortunately. It's just how it goes. So let's do 3 of these. They give you a nice amount on the roll. That'll last me quite a bit. I'm happy about that. All right, I'm going to sit down and do the tassel, and I'm going to burn the edges first. Here's 1. Two. And then we got the last one here. Alright, so let's start putting this together. I think I'll do the green and then the candy one and a red. And then I'll do the black. And I'll just repeat the same process. just realized something, guys. I need a piece to tie it with. So, hold on, let me get something. I picked this up at Walmart. I think it was, yeah, it was 97 cents. I like this, I like the 1/8 of an inch to tie the tassels. That's got some sparkle on it. They had all different colors. I got red, blue, silver, gold. Whatever they had, I picked up. All right, and let's put it together on that. So again, just reminding everybody that the links are down below in the description box for Beebeecraft. And if you'd like to get some of this trim or something else on the website, you get 10% off your entire order. So that's pretty cool. And I'll put the code in the description. It's also it's PD10, Petey 10. And if you don't like this stuff, you can search on there and find something you do like and that you do want. They have tons of things. I mean, if you looked on their site, it would take a while to go through everything that they have. It's crazy. All right, I'm just gonna cut this, make it even. Looks pretty good to me. All right, and then let's put that little hand on here, the little charm. These are 10mm jump rings. If anyone's wondering, that's the size I use. Look at that. I just noticed that on the hand, there's a little skull right here, like a little skull ring. I don't know if that's coming in clear. And then we have that on the finger. Oh, I don't know if you can. There it is, like it zoomed in. I don't know if you can see it. I can see it. That's pretty funny. So yeah, I always use 10mm jump rings when I'm using jump rings for tassels because they go right through the little string here. There's just enough room. You don't have to worry about if it's too small to go through. That way, if you make a very chunky one, it'll still have plenty of room to fit everything. So guys, that is going to be my tassel for the Gothic Junk Journal. I think that it's going to go well with this. Yep, I think that's going to go really well. Okay, so remember, links are below, and for 10% off your entire order, it's going to be PD10 for the code. So thanks for watching, happy crafting, and I'll catch you next time. Bye!